Welcome back, Performance Mechanic YouTube channel. Today I'm going to explain about charcoal canister. What is the use of the charcoal canister? Charcoal canister is located near the fuel tank. Some model vehicles it's come near the engine. Charcoal canister inside there is charcoal. So what to do the charcoal? When the vapor is produced inside the fuel tank, the vapor will absorb the charcoal. When engine purge valve is open, engine vacuum will come inside the charcoal canister and suck the fuel vapor. Here you can see one charcoal canister. This canister having three pipe. One pipe will go inside the engine intake manifold. The second one go to the fuel tank top area. There is fuel vapor separator valve. Third one go to small air filter because the canister suck the atmospheric air also. If you fill the full tank petrol, there is chance to enter the liquid petrol inside the charcoal canister. Every week you filling the full tank petrol, there is chance the charcoal canister, the fuel vapor absorbing capacity may be lost. Here you can see the canister small air filter. This filter already damaged. Canister is not absorbing inside the fuel tank vapor. Then maybe your vehicle lost the fuel efficiency and maybe misfire and lost power. You can check the canister total weight with weight machine and you can compare the good one and old one, the weight difference. If there is petrol inside the canister, maybe the weight will increase. If you like this information, please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you very much.